Direct share is a new, more secure way to share your Seidat presentations. Instead of creating and sending a public link, you can now share your presentations exclusively to a specific user in Seidat so that only this user can access the material. This is a great news for people sending out confidential materials. First, you need to choose a presentation that you want to share and then press Share Presentation. On the top left corner, you can find a Share with User button. Send the link to the person's email, and then the person will get the link to the presentation via email. All the directly shared presentations will appear under the Share with Me tab in Seidat. Also, it's possible to integrate your CRM with Seidat by using our API, which can allow you to automatically generate presentations based on the field in your CRM, for example, offers for your customers. If you want to know more about that, you can contact us directly.